right there. I'm attaching it to there, so it's right on there now. And now I can figure out how far I want it down, higher, lower. It's up to me. Okay. And actually, because I can put it quite further down on this one. Okay. Another thing is you might want to fold the acetate so the little animals will fit, or little people will fit into the card like this, because you have to make sure it stays at 5 by 7, and then they can be lifted up. So make sure you're using a strong acetate for this, like that. So that's what we're doing. So then we're gonna do, I have this stamp that I want to use, and it says, "May the God of hope fill you with joy and peace as you trust in him." So I want to put that right down here, and it fits just perfect. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. I'm gonna attach it right on there. I think I'm gonna glue it on. That way I want to make sure. And maybe a little bit of this in the middle, just so it holds really well. But I'm gonna line that all up like that. Let it all glue on there well. And you don't have to worry about this one because it's right on the card. So you don't have to worry about anything. So here's what we got so far. So that is our little card right now, and then we're gonna add a few little things to it. So I have these little camel and the wise man. So I'm gonna glue those right on here. These are just stamped in black, but you can actually just die cut with that die that comes with the set, and you can actually color them in if you like. I'm just gonna do that. Same with the camel, because it's actually like a silhouette. It's not an actual still. I mean, you could use like brown stamp or something like that, but it will make it a lot harder. So here's that part, and then we have some little oh, we're gonna attach the star to the top here. Let me glue that on here. It's gonna go right here above the little building here. And then we also, in the set comes 2 little sheep with hay that they're standing by or next to. Oh, and there's this other one is actually for the donkey. So I'm gonna attach that right here by the donkey. Okay, so just gonna put it right on there. So there's like little hay that the donkey's standing in, so that's another piece. And then there's, I think I need 2 more acetate. I'm gonna make them not as wide for the little sheep. Also, you can go back and trim your, if you have them too long, or you can cut them to the length you need. I'm just gonna go in to trim one of mine here. It's a little too long. Okay, and then, so let's attach this to the little sheep. Okay, so here's this little one. And this one is actually laying in hay, so I'm going to attach that right to the bottom of it. So I'm going to go right in the middle here. And attach it right there. Okay, so here's what we got. The little sheep laying in hay, and then we got the other stick for the other sheep. Get some glue on there, on the back of the little sheep. And so we are gonna put it in here. So let's see where I'd like it to be. So I can have this sheep laying right here. Okay, so I'm going to do it on the back there. And I definitely know that is a little too long, so I'm going to trim some. And then I'm going to stick this right here. Actually, it's too close to the donkey, covering up its face, so I can do it either further down this way. And then the other donkey, not the donkey, the other sheep will go right here. And let's see if I make it there. No, it doesn't cover up baby Jesus. Good, perfect. So, I'm gonna trim a little. And then I'm gonna put some tape right on the front of it. Oh, scissors are in the way. Okay, got enough glue on there, and I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, so ta-da! Here's our cardboard. So, yeah. So there's the wise man and the camel on there. There's the sheeps and the baby Jesus, and then the shed in the background. So this is our card. And then to fold it up to be able to mail it, we're gonna put all of that down like that. And the little sheep, we can fold them actually forward, probably would be best since they're in the front here. So that is how it would go into your envelope, just like that. Let me grab one real quick to show you. So here's the envelope. You would just gently put it right in here, just like that. Or you can grab a larger envelope, it's up to you. But that is how you would stick it right in there. And then just close it up, seal it, and mail it, and it's flat, pretty much. There's barely anything, so they're shouldn't be charging you anything extra. So that is my card for today. Let's open it back up. Let's get the glue out of the way so we don't glue anything on. All the scissors. So basically this is what a person would receive. They pull it out of the envelope, and then they open it all back up, raise it all up, and baby Jesus, and voila, this is their little stand-up card, and it all fits into a 5x7 envelope. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like it. You could change the sizes and make them fit better into different envelopes. It's up to you, because if you make this shorter here, you have the room up here, so you can change it up. But this is a way to make it work, where you can mail it and fit it into a 5x7 envelope. And make sure you're using strong acetate, remember that. That way, if it folds back up and down a couple of times for the person to show or look at it, it doesn't break, nothing happens to it basically. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like my little card, my little nativity scene. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and to visit my shop at lilyofthevel77.etsy.com to purchase my handmade cards. I can make cards like this if you want different color themes, like instead of blue, if you want me to make them in khaki or cream or dark colors like black backgrounds, or I can do any kind of different paper. So just let me know. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something new today, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.